why I'm here. The second reason is that I'm still half jet lag. Just come back from an overseas trip. I went to Europe for 9 days for the opening of an art exhibition. It was great. I had a good time there. And the art was good. But now I'm back on jet lag. I'm happy to be back in the tropic. What do I love? What do I love about tropical life? I love the heat. Even if someday it forces me to lie on bed under a fan. But realistically, that really is a first world problem. Because there are a lot of things much worse in life than having to spend a few hours under a fan to relax. I like fans. They have an hypnotic value. You look at them when you forgot where you are, what you're doing, who you are. You can forget everything. While I was in Europe, I took the opportunity while I was there to catch up with some good friends I hadn't seen in a very, very long time. And some family member too, whom I love dearly. But I hadn't seen them for years, some of them 20 years. And it's important to nurture relationship with old friends and family, which is one of the reasons I wanted to go there. The opening of the exhibition and to catch up with some beloved one. It was great. And the food, oh my, the food, wow, just delicious. It nearly is Christmas, but it's all the good, rich food. Yum, yum, yum. Winter food from Europe. Oh my goodness. I had some really good food in some restaurants and in some home. And now I'm back here in the tropic, where I can eat mangoes. Fresh mango, fresh banana, fresh pawpaw. Oh, that's really good too. And full of goodness. And smells good too. I like the smell of mango. I really like mango. I don't know why I like them so much. Maybe because even after all those years, nearly 20 years, they still feel like an exotic fruit to me. I don't know, but I like them. Do you like mango? Not straight